It was the sixth day of cross-examination for the woman known as EM, with Dylan Dubé's defense lawyer suggesting she wanted the attention from the World Junior hockey players, a suggestion EM firmly denied. Dubé, along with Alex Fermenton, Cal Foote, Michael McLeod, and Carter Hart, have pleaded not guilty to sexually assaulting the complainant in a London hotel room in 2018. While McLeod has also pleaded not guilty to a second charge of being a party to sexual assault. When attorney Lisa Carnelos asked EM if she agreed she was not the whole focus of the room in the early morning hours of June 19th, the now 27-year-old woman said she felt like she was an object, quote, just there for their entertainment. To which Carnelos said, quote, these boys were having fun amongst themselves, separate from your existence. Carnelos introduced text messages between EM and her best friend the morning of June 19th, after the two spoke on the phone when EM was leaving the hotel. Hey, I love you, wrote her friend. Everything's gonna be okay. Get home safe, get some rest, and if you want to talk about it, text me in the morning. EM didn't respond until the afternoon, when her friend checked back in on her. She then responded, hey, yeah, sorry, I'm okay, girl. I think I was just being a little over-dramatic earlier, but I'm good. Adding later, I think I was just feeling really guilty and mad at myself for letting that happen. I just felt dirty and used after. The guy was such a jerk, and he had all his friends in the room, and it was just a bad situation. I shouldn't have put myself in that position. Carnelos pressed EM on why she didn't tell her best friend she was sexually assaulted. EM said she wanted to reassure her friend and downplay things for herself, adding her mind shut off to protect herself during the alleged incident, and it hit her after. Earlier in the day, Fermenton's lawyer Daniel Brown brought up EM's weight at the time of the alleged incident. You told the jury you were 120 pounds at the time, said Brown, adding medical records in the days after revealed she was in fact 138 pounds. Brown suggested she wanted to leave the jury with the impression she was much smaller than the men. EM rejected the notion and said she wasn't weighing herself and maybe was just hoping she was still 120 pounds back then. On Tuesday, EM is set to be cross-examined by the last of 5 defense teams, and then she will be re-examined by the Crown. At the London Superior Court of Justice, Mackey, City News.